Hello! Today's episode is dedicated to Soni Auntie, my loving neighbor and best friend's mum. As kids, I remember she used to make us this lovely corn on toast and pasta in white sauce. Her white sauce was magic, creamy, nutty, and perfectly spiced. I learned this recipe from her when I was in school, so I have literally mastered it. To make white sauce easy food with DG style, you need milk, oil, salt, butter, flour, lots of chilies. No, I'm kidding. You just need half a grated chili, cheese, and nutmeg. Let's get going. Take some olive oil, let it heat, add some butter to it. Now that the butter and oil are heated, it's time to put in the flour. I've used 2 tablespoons here and give it a nice mix. To this, add your green chili, a little bit of salt. We will be adding cheese to this, so please be careful while adding salt. Keep the heat low. You don't want the flour to burn. Now it's time to add milk. I've got half a liter of milk here. I like to use a whisk over here so then there's no lumps that form while this is cooking. Add some pepper. Now it's time for nutmeg. This is what gives it the magic flavor, so please make sure you add some. Give it a nice mix. So you can already see it's thickening up a little bit. You have to keep stirring this time and again, otherwise the flour will keep getting lumps. Let's add the cheese. Nicely place it. Keep stirring when the cheese melts. The cheese has melted and your white sauce is ready. Spread the love, follow, like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this episode with me. Bye.